a typing speed test. If my computer's up to it, click on tab here to start typing. Whoops. "82. Where's Pimble with 3 mistyped words," which is a, what do you call it? Effective typing speed of probably about 79. Let's have a look at the result. 80. Well, it's hard to get above that, but we're going to do it one day.